Hey YouTube, it's Shane from Blind Dog Blades. I had a gentleman on Instagram ask me to shoot a video of my knife vise. So here it is. Figured I'll just post it on YouTube so you can watch it. What it's made out of is an old drill press. I had an old drill press that was just beyond restoration. So I turned it into a knife vise. Obviously this is a column, and this is where the table was mounted. I cut it off here, but the table was bolted down to this. This was where the crank was, so you could raise or lower the table. And to use it, I just mounted in my bench vise here. And what I've done is the column, I've drilled 4 holes through the top here. These bolts here run into a piece of aluminum, and I've got a spring so it always keeps this spread open. And then this one, just a T-nut I made, or T-bolt, and that just tightens it down onto the knife. So say if you were working on a handle or something, slip the knife in there, then you can put your wood on it, go ahead and sand it and shape it. It rotates so you can get to both sides, and you can keep it from rotating by locking the column clamp. And it holds it good and tight. So you use that for shaping your handles, or I use it mostly for when I'm sanding. I've got this big chunk of aluminum here, and I've got some foam stuck to it. You can buy that foam. They're coming 8x10 sheets. God, I think you can get them at Walmart. They're just self-adhesive and they work good. When you wear it out, go ahead and put a new one on. So slip that in there like so. Go ahead and tighten it down. So that's good and sturdy now. So I'll just lay my knife blank on the piece of aluminum here, and then take a small C-clamp, clamp it down. This makes it nice and safe. You ain't gonna walk into the point. If you do, you're only gonna get stuck by a little bit. You won't get impaled. And I just take a sanding block, wrap the paper around it, keep the blade a squirt. And when I do it, I like it so the bevel's nice and horizontal. Then you just go ahead and start sanding. And 3 or 4 hours later, you'll be done. So anyway, that's the knife vise. These would be real easy to just make out of just some pipe. Get you some pipe that will slip inside each other. Rather than doing a clamp, I mean, you could make a clamp, weld in a couple bolts, split the pipe, and put your handle on it. But you can kind of do what I've done here instead, and just have it so when you tighten it up, it'll tighten down on the piece of pipe and keep it from rotating. There's several designs out here on YouTube, so but this works pretty damn good. I was just going to throw all this crap away and Got looking at it one day and thought, hell, I can make a damn vise out of that. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.